Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. So today I have yet another exciting recipe for you. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell. So let's begin with this really simple recipe. I'm going to give you all the gram measurements in the description box. The one ingredient is our most popular keto flour, and that's almond flour. I've taken about half a cup, of course, and you can add 1 cup, 2 cups, depending on whatever you want, double it, triple it. After that, I've added 2 tablespoons of water, and it can be a little less or more according to your almond flour. Now I'm just kneading it in the bowl. Can you imagine how easy these crackers are to make? I mean, it's going to be made in the microwave too. And now I'm going to roll it between 2 parchment papers. Now the optional thing, you can roll it out really, really thin. Just keep it to like 1/8 of an inch of thickness, and I'm bringing it into kind of a rectangle so that I can get some nice squares out. So half a cup will give you almost 25 crackers, which is absolutely amazing. According to the carbs and the macros, it'll be really, really low. Now I'm using a pizza cutter. You can also use a knife, and I'm making them into squares. Don't move them from the parchment paper. They're going to stay right there. And we're ready to put it into the microwave for anywhere between 2.5 to 3 minutes. Keep checking it in your microwave. Remember, it's not the oven. You can just check. Now, when they come out of the microwave, they'll be a little bit still, because of the oils in the almond flour. They'll be a little soggy. Just allow them to cool down for about 20-25 minutes, half an hour. And now I'm keeping my mouth shut so you can hear the crunch. Absolutely amazing, so easy to make. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. And thank you for being with me on this journey of low carb keto recipes. Bye then.